What if a new cryptocurrency initiative garnered over $200 million prior to its launch? Today, we explore the narrative of BlockDAG, a much-discussed blockchain that has investors questioning, could this truly signify the next major breakthrough? Or is it just too optimistic? Let's dissect it. BlockDAG made a remarkable entrance with staggering statistics. In its pre-sale, it amassed an impressive $212 million by selling nearly 19 billion BDAG tokens. Such substantial funding is exceptionally uncommon for a project that hasn't yet launched. This immediately raises the question, what's igniting so much enthusiasm? A significant factor is BlockDAG's Keynote 3 event, where the team introduced a fully operational beta testnet. Unlike numerous projects that maintain a theoretical approach, BlockDAG went for a practical demonstration. The testnet is bustling. It has already managed over 1.2 million transactions through 100+ community-operated nodes. This indicates a substantial throughput capability. For perspective, that translates to millions of test transactions, while many competitors struggle with minimal activity. BlockDAG aims to deliver real, functional speed right from the start. Additionally, they are creating an entire ecosystem, not merely a blockchain. The testnet debut included a public block explorer, a token and NFT creation wizard, and even preliminary DApps. Developers are actively testing, deploying smart contracts, and generating assets on BlockDAG now. This platform is striving to be a comprehensive solution, akin to Ethereum, but with a twist: enhanced scalability from day one. Now, let's delve into the technology. The name, BlockDAG, alludes to its fundamental innovation. It utilizes a directed acyclic graph structure alongside traditional proof-of-work mining. To simplify, envision multiple chains of blocks functioning in parallel and intertwining. That encapsulates the concept of a BlockDAG. This method allows for simultaneous block validations. Instead of waiting, blocks get processed concurrently. The objective is to eradicate bottlenecks while minimizing transaction fees, all without compromising security. It's like transforming a one-lane road of standard blockchains into a multi-lane highway. The initial results appear promising. BlockDAG's testnet has showcased exceptional speed for a fresh network, with the team asserting that this design can accommodate considerably more traffic than older chains. They are also boasting features like MEV resistance for fairness and account abstraction for improved usability, integrated from the onset. These advanced capabilities are still being introduced in Ethereum, giving BlockDAG a technological edge over its rivals. However, the excitement isn't fueled solely by technology, it's largely about adoption. BlockDAG boasts impressive adoption rates already. Their mobile mining application, the X1 Miner, has attracted over 800,000 users mining testnet BDAG on their phones. Yes, that's right, almost 1 million individuals are engaged before the mainnet has even launched. This mobile-focused mining strategy is a savvy decision. It democratizes involvement, enabling everyday users to mine using just a smartphone instead of costly mining rigs. This approach greatly contributes to community building, encouraging real people to invest in the network early. Furthermore, BlockDAG has sold over 16,600 dedicated mining devices, the X30 and X100 miners. These are more robust units aimed at serious miners or validators. The key takeaway is that BlockDAG's community isn't merely speculating on an idea. They are actively participating in hardware operations and securing the network at this moment. It's rare to see such engagement before a project's mainnet launch. This involvement might give BlockDAG a significant advantage once it goes live, ensuring a solid, decentralized network from day one. The future roadmap is ambitious as well. BlockDAG has set its sights on integrating over 1,000 DApps by 2026. That's a substantial ecosystem, comparable to what leading blockchains have developed over many years, slated in just a couple of years post-launch. They simplify the process for developers by supporting well-known tools, like smart contracts and WebAssembly, along with an Ethereum-like environment to draw those frustrated with high costs. In theory, a developer could transfer their Ethereum dApp to BlockDAG, experiencing faster, more affordable transactions and attracting users priced out by other chains. BlockDAG is also gearing up for significant trading. The team anticipates listing BDAG on 10+ major exchanges once the mainnet is operational. This extensive exchange support would facilitate greater liquidity and accessibility for investors. They clearly intend for BDAG to be widely available, not limited to decentralized exchanges or obscure platforms but also prominent centralized exchanges. Should they succeed, this might serve as a catalyst for broader adoption of the token. Now, regarding the token, BDAG. During the pre-sale, BDAG sold in batches. Batch 27 was priced at approximately $0.0248 per token. Some analysts project that BDAG could reach $1 within 12 to 18 months after launching. To put that into context, an increase from about 2.5 cents to $1 equates to a remarkable 40-fold growth. Those estimates are being labeled optimistic and should be viewed cautiously, as initial predictions typically are. However, they reflect the bullish sentiment surrounding this initiative, as enthusiasts perceive BlockDAG as having untapped value relative to its potential if it fulfills its commitments. Why do they believe such increases are attainable? First, BlockDAG's substantial pre-sale and engaged community might translate into strong launch momentum. Second, if the network indeed delivers a high-performing, low-cost alternative to Ethereum or Solana, it likely will draw a wave of users and liquidity. Third, the broader crypto market tends to reward new Layer 1 networks demonstrating genuine growth. We've seen how other ETH killers previously underwent massive increases when they showcased user growth or technological advancements. Nonetheless, let's balance the enthusiasm with some realistic caution. BlockDAG is still in its testnet phase. The mainnet launch will pose the real challenge. That's the point where actual funds are at risk, and any flaws could lead to significant issues. Numerous projects have thrived during testnets but encountered difficulties upon mainnet launch. Think of the launch day challenges faced by networks like EOS. Thus, while BlockDAG's testnet achievements are commendable, it must validate its performance under heavier, real-value conditions once the mainnet is active. Additionally, raising $212 million and proclaiming ambitious targets can create extraordinarily high expectations. BlockDAG will face pressure to deliver timely updates and keep its vast community engaged. Any delays or setbacks might negatively impact the token. And speaking of the token, a 19 billion supply sold at low prices during the pre-sale could mean many holders looking to realize profits if BDAG's price surges after launch. That could induce sell pressure, which investors should note. Competition is another critical element. BlockDAG isn't operating in isolation. It faces competition from new Layer 1s like Aptos and Sway, along with established players like Solana and Avalanche, all competing for title of the fastest and most developer-friendly blockchain. Each has their own resources and communities. BlockDAG must carve out a unique identity, possibly through its mobile mining initiative or distinctive technology, to make its mark in a crowded landscape of Ethereum alternatives. Nevertheless, BlockDAG has executed several key strategies effectively. They've established tangible technology and a following before seeking mainstream recognition, which is refreshing in an industry where many tokens launch with nothing but a white paper. Their partnerships and marketing efforts stand out, too. BlockDAG has secured endorsements from major sports brands, including Inter Milan and the UFC, indicating plans for broader public awareness. These partnerships suggest they are not hesitant to utilize their substantial treasury to increase visibility. In summary, BlockDAG represents a prominent, high-potential project that combines leading concepts in crypto, DAG architecture, parallel processing, community mining, into a cohesive offering. Its success with the testnet and substantial community engagement provide a credible opportunity for impact when the mainnet launches. If BlockDAG accomplishes even a fraction of its ambitions, for example, several hundred DAPPs, significant exchange listings, and sustained high throughput, it could warrant a considerably higher long-term token value. Conversely, if operational execution falters or technological performance falters as anticipated, excitement may diminish quickly. For the astute investor or crypto enthusiast, BlockDAG is certainly worth monitoring. It offers a less recognized opportunity where early research could prove valuable, but it is not without risks. Remember, despite all the buzz, BDAG remains speculative until proven effective in real-world conditions. This isn't financial advice, just an analysis of the available facts and generated interest. So, will BlockDAG emerge as a groundbreaking project that ushers in a new era of speed and scalability, and possibly a $1 token, as some speculate? Or will it struggle to meet lofty expectations? Only time will reveal the outcome, and we will continue to observe closely. If you found this exploration informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more perspectives on emerging crypto trends. We will keep you informed about BlockDAG's progress. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. Do you believe BDAG can achieve a 40x return, or is it overhyped?